homework. We did these in class here. So if you weren't here or you didn't copy everything, here it is. If you have a question, ask. And then we did this. Most class we finish everything. I said not to do number 7. Here, what does it mean? The x-intercept means that, y-intercept means this. Okay, here's to find slope for the class. It says find the slope of this line, right? Remember, it's y sub 2. This is x sub 2, y sub 2. So this is x sub 1, y sub 1, right? You can use that to find slope and then reduce it. And we finished the graph here. And here, this is 100 students, so it goes into x because x represents the number of students. And then you solve for y, and you get 137.5 tickets, but you can't sell half a ticket, so you round up to 138. You want more, to 138 tickets. And then we did this in class, most classes, A and B. Some class we were on C. C, remember, x-intercept, y-intercept, graph them, those 2 dots. Oops, I did this incorrectly. This is wrong. Okay, negative 15 is down here. Here's negative 14 and negative 16, so negative 15 is here. So the red line's going to be correct, okay? Draw the lines, make the arrows. That's how you do that. So here's how you graph using x and y-intercept. You find x-intercept first. That's going to be your first point. You pretend this doesn't exist, so you have 2x equals to negative 24. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals to negative 12. So this is your first point, so x sub 1, y sub 1. And this is x, so it goes under the x side, negative 12. There's no y left, so you put 0 for y. So you get x-intercept is negative 12, 0. So this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, negative 12, 0 right there. That's dot number 1. That's why x sub 1, y sub 1. Dot number 2 is finding the y-intercept. Okay, let's erase this. Y-intercept is going to be your dot number 2. You cover the x, and that's a positive 8y equals negative 24. Divide by 8, get y equals to negative 3. So this is dot number 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. This is y3, so it goes here, negative 3 and 0. So 0, negative 3, 0, 0, negative 2, 4, so negative 3 is right in the middle between them. Draw your lines. Oops, not a good one, right? Try to get it, nope. There you go. Well, close enough. And put arrows at the end because you can have many points. Same thing on the back. We didn't do the back, so x-intercept. You cover the y's. You have 7x equals negative 42. Divide by 7. You get x equals to negative 6. So this is point number 1. So x sub 1, y sub 1. That's negative 6, 0. Negative 6, 0. That's negative 6 then right here. 0 right there. And then the y-intercept. Okay, you cover the x. You get negative 3y equals to negative 42. Divide by negative 3. Y equals to a positive 2 negative as a positive 1, 14. So your ordered pair, your second dot is x sub 2, y sub 2. Y goes, this is Y, so it goes 14 and 0, 0, 14. 0, 14 is up here, connect the two dots, and there goes your line. Put arrows at the end because it can go on forever. Okay, here, same thing, very easy. X-intercept, okay, additive inverse, to cover the Y, you got 40 equals to 10x, divide by 10, x equals to 4, so 4, 0, that's your x sub 1, y sub 1, that's your first point. Your second point is your y-intercept. Okay, that means the x don't exist. Get negative 5y equals to 40, or 40 equals to 5y means the same thing, okay? Negative 5y. Divide by negative 5, y is negative 8. So your ordered pair is y sub 2 is negative 8. 0 is your x sub 2. Okay, 4, 0 is here, and 0, negative 8 is here. Connect the two dots. There you go. Some classes we did this, in Clem class we did not. So right now I want you to write a sentence on what you learned graphing with x and y intercept, okay? Write a sentence on it. Okay, write an equation of each line in point slope form. Anytime you see point slope, you need to do y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1, okay? Given the slope and the point that lies on the line, right? Then write this equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so we got everything here. We got y minus y sub 1 is 21 equals to m. M is slope. Slope is 9. X minus x sub 1 is 2. Here you distribute first. Got 9x and a plus a negative 18. Add 21. Y equals to 9x plus 3. Okay, same thing here. Point slope is y minus y sub 1 equals m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Okay, so y minus x sub 1, y sub 1, 7 equals to m. M is slope. Slope is negative 2 equals x minus x sub 1, 4. Additive inverse, negative 2x plus 8. Y minus 7. Add 7. Y equals negative 2x plus 15. Now it's in slope-intercept form. Remember to write 2 things you learned today.